Why are these Type-C cables so not user-friendly? Your MacBook could easily fall off the table by accident. VinPoc Bolt makes charging easier. With quick release that's easier to plug and detached, it provides extra protection for your MacBooks. An instant connection can be made to charge your smartphone, speaker, switch, music player, and more. Bolt is small and exquisite. You can put it into your pocket and take it anywhere.
We love our smartphone, and we do a lot to take care of it. But there's always one thing we haven't been able to protect: battery life. Introducing Charby Sense, the world's smartest auto cutoff cable. It cuts off the power supply automatically when your battery's full to avoid prolonged charging, which actually shortens your battery life. With smart current sensing technology, Charby Sense accurately detects when your smartphone is fully charged and also tells you your charging speed through its smart LED indicator. Charby Sense features a charge booster mode, which allows you to charge your phone twice as fast. Also, it's built with high-grade copper wire for high-speed charging and data transfer. It's reinforced with Kevlar fibers throughout to make Charby Sense up to 3 times more durable than other generic cables available today. Overnight charging actually damages your battery, keeping it at a high capacity level throughout the whole night. Experts say avoid extreme battery levels. High temperature can degrade your battery, so don't leave your phone plugged in for too long. But come on, it's a hassle and inconvenient to always leave your phone uncharged when you can, isn't it? Well, that's why we created Charby Sense, to help you cut off the power supply completely when it's fully charged, so you can enjoy your sweet dreams all night without worrying about your phone battery. Haven't we all gone through these frustrating situations where our smartphone isn't plugged in properly? Charby Sense has a smart indicator so that you know when it's charging, so you'll never leave your phone uncharged again. Charging too slow on your laptop port? When you finish syncing, simply press the button on Charby Sense and it doubles your charging speed, so now you can charge your device in half the time. Never knowing if your smartphone is charging properly is frustrating. Charby Sense detects slow wall chargers and power banks, so you can switch to the better one you deserve. And it features a reversible end, so you'll always plug it in the right way every time. Also, it's 20% longer, so it has the extra length to reach you when you need it to. Finally, a better way to protect the battery life of all your devices, like power banks, speakers, and headphones. Anything powered by a USB port. Charby Sense is your ultimate cable solution. We're ready to bring Charby Sense to everyone. We just need you to help make it happen. Back our crowdfunding campaign so you can be one of the first to get an exclusive discount before the campaign ends. Enjoy a good night's sleep. Your battery will be ready when you are.
Think about a bicycle helmet. Now forget about it. When we created Fuga, we didn't just think about a bicycle helmet. It had to be a unique product. That a product fulfills its function to perfection is always a good objective. That a product makes us fall in love is a huge challenge. It's not just about making your life easier, but also about making it more beautiful. As guests on this beautiful planet, the least we can do is contribute by providing a little beauty ourselves, and the simplest forms are usually the most beautiful. At Closca, we wanted to launch a safe, revolutionary, practical product on the streets. But above all, we wanted to launch a product that would respect the aesthetics of the city and the cyclist, a product that simply becomes a part of your style. We're able to cover such an exclusive niche because we break down functional barriers and turn necessity into art. And now, think about a bicycle helmet.
We are dbrand. Since 2011, over 3 million customers have trusted us to deliver the highest quality, most precise skins on Earth. Our world-class products have built us an army of dbrand fanatics who've asked us 2 questions. Which skin has the most grip? And what happens if I drop it? We've spent the last 2 years developing a product to answer those questions. This is the dbrand Grip. With the dbrand Grip, you'll never drop your phone again. We've engineered grip right into the design. But this is real life, and shit happens. That's why we made the Grip with D3O, the most advanced shock-absorbing technology on the planet. The US military uses it in their helmets. We put it inside the world's first carbon composite frame. What's more, you can customize the Grip with any of our signature dbrand skins. This is the next evolution of device protection. This is the dbrand Grip.
Hi guys, thank you for buying your Travis. This video will help you to use your Travis as easily as possible. To change the volume, press up for louder and press down for softer. For language selection, press left twice and press up or down for selecting the language you want to use. To scroll, please hold one of the buttons. And for selection, press the middle one. For really using Travis where it's meant for translation, use the left or the right button by pressing it once to start your translation, depending on the language you want to speak. So for English, press left, hello. And when you stop, it will start translating. Sometimes you need to help it, then you can press the middle button as well. So, muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Travis is also having the option to see your history. So then you press the lower button twice, and now you can see the translated languages of your recent past.
Thank you very much.
And to go back out of your history, press left to get back to your translation opportunities.
Gracias por escuchar.